Nissan, once a titan in the automotive world, now teeters on the brink of bankruptcy, facing its worst crisis since 1999. With profits plummeting by 70% and a staggering $60 million loss last quarter, the company is in dire straits. In a desperate bid to save $3 billion, Nissan is slashing 9,000 jobs, cutting production capacity by 25%, and delaying new model launches. The company has also sold a significant stake in Mitsubishi Motors, and distanced itself from Renault, with CEO Makoto Uchida taking a 50% pay cut. Nissan's head of manufacturing, Hideyuki Sakamoto, announced plans to reduce vehicle production lines by 20%, aiming to boost efficiency. Cheap Chinese EV alternatives are flooding the market, stealing Nissan's share and highlighting the brand's stalled electrification plans. Despite the turmoil, the Rogue remains a top seller in the US, and the Qashqai and Juke continue to perform well in Europe. Nissan is now searching for an anchor investor and has approached Honda to buy some of its shares, hoping to secure its future. The company's new business plan, the ARC, aims to boost global sales by 1 million vehicles, but Nissan has since lowered its expectations. As the world watches, the question remains, can Nissan make the necessary turnaround and survive this make or break year?